crispy delight. G for grapes, green or red. H for hamburger, big with bread. I for ice cream, cold and fun. J for jelly on a bun. K for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L for lasagna, loved by all. M for milk in every sip. N for noodles that love to slip. O for orange, round and neat. P for pizza, what a treat. Q for quinoa, healthy and light. R for rice, fluffy and white. S for sandwich, yummy and tall. T for taco, best of all. U for upside down cake, so sweet. V for vegetables you should eat. W for watermelon, juicy and red. X for zucchini, a spice ahead. I for yogurt, smooth and cool. Z for ziti in pasta school.